Hi guys, Curvy Girl Lee here and welcome to Curbside Trends and day 6 of Vlogmas. I want to first start by saying that I am so proud of myself because I am 6 days in, and although 6 days is not a lot, it is a lot coming from someone who has not been consistent with creating content. To be 6 days strong, I'm certainly proud of myself and I thank you all for continuing to watch and support me. Day 6 of Vlogmas also coincides with day 6 of my 25 days of self-love and self-care. Today is about me treating myself, and I just want to show you how I show myself the love that I feel I deserve. I once received flowers from someone and I realized that it made me happy, and so I started to actually buy myself flowers every 2 weeks, and that is where I started my treat for the day. After setting the mood with some beautiful flowers, I decided that it was time for me to treat myself to a nice dinner. Tonight we are having a Cajun pasta with andouille sausage. This was a very simple recipe because I am getting off of work, so I'm not trying to do anything too fancy. Because I'm only making enough for 2, I'm not using the entire bell pepper. I'm actually only using about 1/4 of each and then about 3 sausages, but you can adjust this recipe to your needs. Saute your sausage and your bell pepper. I'm using rotini noodles in this video. However, I actually prefer penne, but I'm using what I have in my cabinet, so rotini it is tonight. For your sauce, you have 1.5 cups of half and half. I did not measure my cheese, however, you can determine this based on how cheesy you want your sauce to be. You're going to use a bit of each of these seasons that you see on the screen for some flavor, basically your Cajun seasoning and the squeeze of half a lemon. If you don't know, a scoop of pasta water really smooths out this sauce, so definitely add that, and then you're going to add your noodles and your toppings. Top that with both Parmesan and mozzarella cheese and bake on 250 for about 25 minutes. Typically the time is 350 for 10 minutes. However, today is about treating myself, so I bake mine low and slow so I can take me a shower while it bakes. Pasta is always better with bread, so I baked me some garlic knots, took my pasta out of the oven, and then I enjoyed it with a nice glass of wine. And that is how I treat myself and show myself the love that I deserve. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on day 7.